Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. It's an eye coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids neither E. Kids neither numbers, and first draw 1 and use blue color. O N E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T W 2. Kids neither 3 and use black color. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. Kids again use black color and draw 4. F O U R 4. Kids today draw A, B, C, D numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.